Hey, look at that! The snow has melted! Wow! That Christmas tree looks really cute with its tiny sharp leaves! Alice, but those are pine needles. They're not leaves.
But there are no Christmas ornaments, so how sad.
We could put a few snowballs on it.
That's impossible, Alex. The snowballs will just melt off.
Aww.
Hello, mini trucks.
It's Grandpa Ted!
I thought you should know I know where you can find some magnificent ornaments. Meet me at Truck Control.
So it's off we go on a new mission!
Dear mini trucks, I am sending you on over to Santa Truck. He's prepared the ornaments for Trucksville's giant Christmas tree for you.
So cool!
Yes, but be careful. Ornaments are very delicate and the road, as you know, is filled with many obstacles. Do you think you're ready?
We're ready, Grandpa Ted.
That's good. Now let's go! 4, 3, 2, 1. Mini trucks, go!
Ho, ho, ho! Hi there, little mini trucks.
Hello!
Hey, Santa Truck, do you think I can have the new Super Trucks comics for Christmas?
And I'd like new headlamps with lots of colors.
Ho, ho, ho! You must remain patient for the moment, because your mission is to deliver the ornament all the way downtown without breaking them. Do you think you can manage that?
But how are we going to deliver everything ourselves?
Grandpa Ted.
Well, I know. Let's go, mini trucks. Drive up onto the tune-up tunnel. It's time to equip you all with trailers for an express delivery.
Take care and be good while you work a little bit for me and wait for your Christmas presents.
Yeah, let's go! Well then, how about the first to arrive to the bottom win?
You haven't got a chance, Alice.
Woohoo! Watch out! The roads are full of potholes and it's so slippery!
Oh, I really don't like slippery roads.
Yeah!
Alex! Be careful, there's a rock!
You're gonna lose and I'm gonna win.
Look, I won!
Alex, are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
I told you it was dangerous now, didn't I?
Yes, but you never told me about the rocks.
No time to waste. Santa Truck is counting on us.
Yes, Jeremy's right! So let's go! Oh no! There's an ice sheet that's 100% slippery for at least 100 yards!
This time, there's no way I'm going fast.
Let's drive side by side and let's be careful with our trailers.
Oh! I'm skidding! Huh? We're coming!
Phew.
That was a close one.
Mission accomplished! That was easy! Not exactly, though.
But what do you mean, Lisa?
We have to ensure that the cargo is still intact.
We did it. We didn't break anything.
Yippee!
These ornaments are really pretty.
Well, I like the beaded necklaces on the tree. They're called garlands, Alice.
Bravo, mini trucks. Another successful mission from you. For your work, you win the Express Delivery Cup.
Ho, ho, ho! Congratulations to you and Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Jeremy. I'm always keeping an eye out.
Boo! We scared you, so you have to give us candy.
Yes, it's a tradition here in Trucksville. On every Halloween, we give out candy to those who frightened us. But I don't have any candy.
Boo! If you want to scare as well as I do and collect loads of candy, then I know someone who can help you learn how to. Now everyone to truck control!
Yippee! Let's get that candy.
Yeah!
Pirate Sam will teach you what you need so you're good at scaring. He's a real practical joker, as you know. He can even scare a ghost. I'm preparing the launch pad now to send you over to him.
As long as no one scares me, I'm fine.
Yeah, let's roll!
Four, three, two, one. Mini truck, go!
Sam the pirate, here we are.
But where is he? Sam!
Ho, ho, ho! Here are my little scary sailors for Halloween.
Sam!
Go on and take these hats, mini trucks. This evening you will be my helpful crew. All right then, now that I'm your captain, please allow me to explain a couple things. To scare others, it mostly requires teamwork. Here's the plan. Jeremy and Alice, you'll destabilize the target. Then, Lisa and Alex, you'll surprise her, which will scare her.
Okay, but who is our target?
Follow me there and you'll soon find out.
Wow! Zoe even trained so hard, and at night!
So, are you ready, mini trucks? And do you remember the plan?
Aye, aye, Captain! Ow! Huh? What? Ah! Boo!
Happy Halloween!
Oh my word, mini trucks! I have never been so scared. For that, you deserve some candy.
Well, as your captain, I get to keep the treasure.
Oh, okay, Captain.
All right, enough about the treasure now. I have to settle a matter with my old friend, Detective Truck.
I'm thinking the thief must have escaped that way. Surely there must be a clue. Oh.
Go discreetly over there and move that crate.
But what is this mystery? Oh, oh. Oh my goodness! Oh, it's you, mini trucks. I must give you some candy for that scare, I suppose.
Give me the candy, because after all, I am the captain.
Fine, then here you go, you bully.
When are we going to get our own candy?
You will when you become captains, obviously. Wait for me here. I'm going to hide my treasure.
I think his rules are so unfair. So I have a plan.
I'm going to have a candy feast. But where are the mini trucks? Hello? Hello? Oh my gosh. But what am I going to say to Ted after I've lost his grandkids? Ah!
We scared you, so now you must give us candy.
You got me this time, mini trucks. I'll go get the candy bag to give it to you.
Yippee!
My goodness, your candy bag is so gigantic. I see you've even managed to scare Sam.
No, my candy. But for scaring me, you do deserve it, you little band of pirates.
Bravo, mini trucks. But be careful. You should never go too far with pranking others.
Yes, we know, Grandpa Ted.
Now that you understand that, for your work, I'm going to hand you the Masters of Scare Cup.
Yeah! Watch out, there's a spider!
Where is it?
Grandpa Ted is on the way.
Grandpa Ted!
Oh, what is it, mini trucks? Hello.
We've been looking everywhere in the garden, but we have not found a single Easter egg.
It's true. Surely today we're supposed to be hunting eggs.
I'm not surprised. This year the eggs haven't landed in my yard. They're actually hidden in the Trucksville forest. Let's all go to truck control if you would like to find them.
Yahoo!
Dear Mini Trucks, there are 4 Easter eggs hidden in the Trucksville forest. Your challenge is you will only have 10 minutes to find them.
Woohoo! How are we gonna find them if they're all hidden?
You're going to have to be especially observant and look carefully around you. To catch them, I will equip you with the suction cup winch. It will allow you to carry the eggs. I'm programming the launch pad to send you into the forest. Four, 3, 2, 1. Mini Trucks, go!
We have just 10 minutes to find the eggs, so that means each one for himself.
I'm gonna find my egg first! I wonder where they could all be. Aha! I found one! You are for me! Huh!
Found one! Haha, I am so good!
Huh?
Oh, I've been super fast at finding our eggs, and I see you are too!
Alex, I'm not really sure your egg is an Easter egg.
Really? What makes you say that?
Easter eggs are painted in all sorts of colors, and yours is just one color.
Yes, that's true. What sort of egg do you think this is?
Just let me activate my screen. After analysis, I see that it's a duck's egg.
Oh no! Quick, we must put it back in its nest before its mother returns.
Well, I can help you find a real Easter egg if you'd like.
Oh yeah, that would be super!
I'm pretty sure there is an egg not too far.
Look, right there!
That's definitely an Easter egg. All different colors on the outside, and it's 100% chocolate inside.
Thank you, Lisa.
All right, so cool! Super! 2 eggs in one go! Come on, come on, come on! Oh no, now it's stuck! Jeremy, I need your help!
Oh, yeah? Have you found an egg?
Yes, and I even found 2, but they seem to be stuck. I need your super strength to get them out. If you help me, we can share the booty.
Okay, let's do it. Oh!
Come on, Jeremy!
Whoa! Whoa! Oops, I might have put too much extra effort in that one.
Woohoo! Yay, we did it!
Hey, Mini Trucks, now hurry because you only have 5 seconds left. 5,
Quickly!
4, 3, 2, 1, 0! Bravo, Mini Trucks! You have succeeded in finding the 4 hidden eggs in the forest. Better yet, you did it by helping each other out. It's a magnificent victory. You deserve to get the Easter Eggs Hunter's Cup for your work here.
Yahoo!
Well then, at least this egg won't be for hiding.
Oh, watch out, Mini Trucks! Have you ever seen this road sign before?
But what sign?
That big red stop sign! We've just avoided a collision here. You must respect the highway code at all times.
The highway code? But what's that?
There are rules to follow in driving on the road. By doing this, it avoids unnecessary accidents. And I know exactly who can teach you. Everyone to truck control!
Woohoo!
Dear Mini Trucks, your new mission of the day is to learn the safe highway code.
I bet it's pretty easy.
Hey, not so fast. Put on your helmets and head for downtown. Tony's truck is waiting.
Yippee!
4, 3, 2, 1. Mini Trucks, go!
Hello, Tony Truck.
Hello there, Mini Trucks. Are you ready to discover the secrets of the highway code?
Yes!
I've set up a course for you to follow, so the goal is to finish without having an accident.
That's easy.
3, 2, 1, and you're up!
Hey! Oh!
Hey! We didn't succeed. I don't understand. I was going so fast.
Alex, the aim is not to go fast, but to arrive without having an accident. Do you have any idea what went wrong back there?
Maybe we just weren't aware of the road signs.
Exactly right. You must follow all of the road signs. For example, when you see a stop sign, you must stop for 3 seconds and look right and then look left to see if anybody's coming, and you must wait for them.
Say no more!
3, 2, 1, go!
Thank you, Alex.
You're welcome.
This stop sign is for me, so I'm gonna stop. Thank you, Jeremy. Yippee! Hey, now that's a funny looking stop sign there. But it's different, so I think I can still go.
Hey, I don't know this road sign, but that big arrow seems to tell me that I can go.
Oh no! What do we do now? Do you go backwards or do I?
What sort of sign did you have on your side?
It was a big red circle with a white line across it. And you?
A big white arrow on a blue background.
That big red sign means no entry. It's an important sign to understand. It indicates that you can't take that road. Whereas the sign, which has the big white arrow in the blue background, says it's a one-way street. It's also important to know it indicates that the road can only be taken in one direction.
Then I'll just back up then. So this time, no errors. We must follow the blue sign with the white arrow.
Oh yeah, we're gonna make it through this challenge in no time.
Calculating trajectory. So let's go.
Hey!
What are you doing, Lisa?
But you're the one going the wrong way, Alex. Tony, can you help us, please? We can't agree on this one.
Alex and Lisa, in roundabouts, the rule is quite simple, as indicated on the road signs that you have just passed. You must always go in an anti-clockwise direction, and be sure to pay attention to who has the right of way. Now, it is your turn to try.
All right, we did it!
We arrived at the same time.
And without any accidents.
Well, nearly.
I'm glad to say that you can all drive safely.
Bravo, Mini Trucks! For your work, you have earned the Highway Code Trophy.